The Jura Z6 and other super automatic coffee machines can sometimes get stuck on the cleaning cycle. Here we're going to go through a cleaning cycle. First, we initiate the cycle by pressing the button. This will take about 20 minutes. The first thing the machine will ask you to do is to remove the coffee grounds and to empty the tray. We'll skip by that piece and move on to the section where we have to add the tablet. Here it's asking us to add the cleaning tablet, and we open up the back hatch, drop in one of these cleaning tablets, and at this point the machine should just take you to the next step of proceeding with the cycle. However, here we're stuck, asking to add the cleaning tablet, which we already just did. So you can remove the insertion tube and see if that will reset it. Sometimes that works. In this case it didn't, so we have to do something else. This is where we use a toothpick to clean out the switch at the back of the machine. Simply take the toothpick and move it back and forth where the switch area is, and this can dislodge any debris or remove any stickiness that the switch may be encountering. Put the tube back in place, go to the front of the machine again, and you will see we're now ready to proceed with the cleaning steps. Hopefully this video helped you, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.